Hello everyone friends, now we'll review the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone wetsuit, designed to negate the pouring rain. The wetsuit I geared to protect the battery and power button and the gimbal as well as the inside of the drone. The Mini 3 wetsuit utilizes a tap system so you can have full protection to the drone when flying in the rain and be able to switch out the protection when not needed. It's effortless in that all the taps stay on the drone, so no need to find them in your bag. Specifically the Phantom Rain wetsuits presented here. This is by no means an advertisement. Just wondering an advice that helps your device survive when shooting near water, rain or fog or conditions that are not suitable for shooting without such a suite. Comes in 4 colors. This is black, purple, red and blue. But if you wish, you can ask to have a suite made from a combination of several colors. The price of such a thing is almost $95, which on one hand is not cheap, but on the other hand, it can save your drone worth about $1,000. Installation is quite simple. Along with the order, a link and a video instruction are sent on which you can watch which part where to install. As you can see, the wetsuit is no way interference with folding the blades or arms of the drone. Everything also looks compact and falls without problems. Even the part is located on the back of the rear of the camera on the body of the drone is glued. All openings through which moisture can enter are closed. There is also a special sticker that covers the battery indicator and the drone power button so that moisture doesn't damage the battery. Also here, on an example, you can see how is this wetsuit people fly near the shores of the seas, which very strong waves and splashes sit in heavy rain, after which the drone remains absolutely intact without any damage. Of course, a big minus follows from this, that if you need to disassemble the drone and fly it in hot weather, when the drone will get very hot, then you will have to take off your wetsuit, because this will worsen the cooling system of the drone. Also, it will not let him get close enough to fix his certain problems. Why buy yourself such a device or not? See for yourself, it all depends on your personal conditions and the circumstances. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, not saying goodbye.